Namaste. I'm Dr. Sangeeta Lakshmi, Senior Medical Officer, Anapaya Naturopathy and Yoga Hospital, Naringana, Mangalore. In this session, we'll be learning about the Arogya Samrakshana Sutra, the 5 principles for healthy living, that is, the Panchatantras. The Panchatantras was formulated and compiled by Dr. B. Venkatrao. Let us start understanding each of the 5 principles to stay healthy. The first among them is to drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. We might be thinking why we should drink 3 liters of water. The main logic or the reason what I would like to give you is that almost 2.5 to 3 liters of water is being put out, eliminated, and excreted out of your body. It may be through our urine, through our stools, through our breath, through our breathing, or through the sweat. So, usually, through these four methods or modes, water is being put out of your body every day. And to balance or to replenish our body with water, we should provide whatever quantity of water is lost. So it is always healthy. If you want to stay healthy, please drink 3 liters of water every day. If we don't drink, what will happen? We usually start getting the dehydration symptoms of feeling thirsty. The next symptom would be a dry mouth. We feel our mouth dry, or the saliva might become thick. Then there will be, if we still neglect and don't drink water sufficiently, then we will be having increased heart rate. Even we might get headache due to less water drinking. Our skin will become dry because of less body water, and also there will be less urination because the body wants more water, and it will prevent putting the water out of the body by reducing the urine content. And because of that, we may end up with other health problems because urine is a way where our body tries to put some of the unwanted things out of the body. So, indirectly, by drinking less water, there is less urine output, and because of that, we retain the toxins in our body. So, drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Avoid all these dehydration symptoms. Now, how do we make up, or how do we know that we have drank 2 to 3 liters of water a day? The best solution is to have a time. That is, at least every hour, drink a glass of water. This can be an easy rule, or you fill water in a bottle. In the morning, fill three bottles, maybe of 1 liter each, and you will know how much water you have drank throughout the day. Another important which we should remember is that we should not avoid drinking water during the meals and half an hour before food and half an hour to 1 hour after having food. Never drink chilled water or excess hot water unless you have cough or cold or whenever necessary. But regularly have a routine of drinking neutral temperature water. It may be boiled and cooled, but let it be of warm or neutral temperature. The next Panchatantra, the second principle is having 2 meals per day. Having 2 meals per day is suggested that it will make you more and more healthy. It doesn't mean you stay fasting the rest of the hours. You are definitely supposed to drink juices, drink water, have some small snacks and tiffin, but full meal should be only 2 per day. Eat full stomach, eat when you're hungry. So the balanced diet, nutritious diet must be consumed. Not that you should have full stomach and eat unwanted or junk foods. Eat healthy foods twice a day. So it will include cooked food, nutritious food, and also fruits, vegetables, and raw, tasty items. So this is about having meal twice a day. Let us go to the third principle, which says practice exercise or yoga 1 hour every day. Having a physical exercise keeps the balance between our circulation and breathing. Our respiratory system will be healthy, the body circulation, the heart will be healthy, and also, along with that, it keeps a balance between our nutrition and drainage, which means whatever input the food we take will be used up. There will be no excess storage in the body leading to diseases, accumulation of toxins leading to disease, but it maintains a balance between input and output, or the intake and the drainage. So the exercise part is very important to be healthy. It can be yogic practices like asana, pranayama, or any other physical exercises like running, jogging, cycling, brisk walking, or involvement in sports, any kind of activity, at least 1 hour per day. It will see that you are healthy throughout your life. The next principle is prayer twice a day. It helps you to keep rooted, it helps you to be grounded. There is no fixed rule that you should chant a particular prayer of a particular religion. There is no rule as such. Whatever affirmation you like, it may be a prayer, it can be a self suggestion, motivating quotation, or a scriptural chants of scriptural of the holy books. It can be anything, but twice a day prayer, early morning on waking up, maybe at sunrise and sunset, or on waking up and before going to bed. Have a self analysis, swadhyaya, what we have done today, any mistakes, what corrections for tomorrow. All these things can be included along with the prayer. It helps you to move further in the progress of excellence and success, and also helping to reach our goals of life. So make it a rule to practice prayer, to have your own prayer, a silent spirit for your own self without anyone, to make you more and more healthy and happier. The last principle, the fifth principle, is fasting once in a week. When I say fasting, you might be surprised that, oh, fasting, then I might feel weak. No. In the principles of naturopathy, we say we don't recommend dry fasting, that is stopping everything, water and food, for a particular period of time or without guidance. As a home message for everyone, fasting once in a week can be selecting a particular day of your choice, and that whole day eating only fruits or juices or raw things. It can be only juices, or it can be eating only fruits for one full day. It will help you to eliminate the unwanted things out of the body, and also help you to re energize or revitalize yourself. It's a systematic cleansing of our body and helps you to overcome many of the illnesses just by fasting once in a week. So select any day of your choice and try to have stay on only juices, any kind of juices for the whole day. There is no restriction to the quantity. There's no limitation to you should drink only 1 glass or 2 glass. No, drink at least 5 to 6 glasses of juices, or eat fruits. It can be mixed fruits, or one fruit in the morning and one in the afternoon, or something like that, or it can be a mixed fruits. The guidance can be taken with any of the naturopathy doctor as to what type of fasting can be practiced, but it is always healthy to practice fasting once in a week. Let us revise all the principles once again. So the first principle is to drink 3 liters of water every day. The second principle is to eat 2 meals per day. Exercise or practice yoga, asanas and pranayama 1 hour every day. Practice prayer twice a day, and to fast once in a week. I'm sure if you practice these five principles in your life, Arogya Samrakshana or Swasthya Samrakshana will be yours. You will be happy and healthy for long, long years. This is a short introduction or a short, brief explanation about the different principles related to healthy living. The Panchatantra, which is explained to us by Dr. B. Venkat Rao. I hope you have got a brief idea about the Panchatantra Sutras of staying healthy, which is upheld by the naturopathy principles. With this, we'll conclude this session. Thank you. Namaste.